Welcome to an in-depth look at how one of the world's most advanced technologies is built, the modern smartphone. Every day, you hold one of the most complex machines ever created without even thinking about it. Your smartphone is arguably more advanced than early space technology. How do billions of tiny components, made from raw materials, come together to form a single powerful device in your hand? It all starts deep in the earth. Metals, specialized glass, and rare elements are mined from different parts of the world before the process of manufacturing even begins. The brain of your phone starts as humble sand. Silicon is chemically refined and transformed into ultra-pure wafers, which form the vital foundation of every processor chip. A chip smaller than your fingernail holds billions of transistors. Advanced nanotechnology uses light to engrave microscopic circuits that power everything your phone does, demanding flawless precision. Your screen is engineered at atomic precision. Layers of glass, organic pixels, and liquid crystals are meticulously assembled to create those sharp, responsive, and vibrant displays we rely on. Tiny lenses coupled with massive computational power. Modern smartphone cameras combine specialized optics with powerful on-device AI to capture professional-grade images instantly. Humans design it, but robots build it. Automated high-tech factories assemble thousands of phones every hour with extreme precision, a process impossible for human hands alone. Every component finally becomes one device. From the core processor chip to the housing and camera, every piece is carefully assembled into a single, seamless product, ready for testing. Your phone is not just a device, it's a masterpiece of global engineering, a highly sophisticated machine hidden inside something you carry every single day.